A small entryway may seem like a brief stop in the flow of a home, but it carries far more weight than its size suggests. It is the first whisper of what lies beyond, a pause between two worlds, and the quiet shaping of mood. In its compactness, it distills the essence of welcome into something concentrated and powerful. Every step into this space carries meaning. Every moment becomes part of the larger story of arrival. A small entryway proves that beginnings are not defined by scale, but by feeling. It shows that atmosphere matters more than abundance, and that simplicity often speaks with the strongest voice. Here, the outside fades, the inside begins, and a sense of belonging quietly unfolds. What makes such a space remarkable is not how much it holds, but how effectively it conveys emotion. It teaches us that limitations can be opportunities in disguise, forcing clarity of thought and precision of design. Each element gains weight because there is no room for excess. This focus creates an experience that is memorable, intimate, and deeply personal. In this way, a small entryway demonstrates a truth often overlooked: that significance comes not from scale, but from the ability to shape how we feel the moment we arrive. First impressions shape how we perceive everything that follows, and a small entryway magnifies this truth. Because space is limited, atmosphere speaks louder than objects ever could. Light, flow, and rhythm combine to create a mood that lingers long after the first step has been taken. It is not the quantity of what is present that matters, but the clarity of what is felt. In this concentrated space, subtle changes resonate more deeply, shaping memory with quiet strength. A calm entryway calms the mind, while a vibrant one energizes. It is a mirror of intention. The small entryway is proof that the beginning of a journey does not need grandeur to be memorable. It only needs to be deliberate, balanced, and true to the spirit of the home. These first impressions remind us that meaning is often found in fleeting moments. The very act of stepping across a threshold becomes symbolic, shaping our expectations before we even recognize it. When designed with thought, the small entryway leaves a lasting imprint, like a melody that echoes long after the song has ended. It shows us that beginnings matter not because they are large, but because they set the tone for everything that follows. This space becomes more than an entrance. It becomes the opening line of a story, one that quietly defines the chapters to come. If these small entryway ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love smart home design tips. In a small entryway, balance is everything. Too much presence can overwhelm, while too little leaves the space feeling empty and forgotten. The art lies in achieving harmony, where simplicity and intention walk hand in hand. Restraint ensures that the area breathes, while presence ensures that it speaks. Every choice in a limited space carries greater meaning, so balance becomes a form of elegance rather than compromise. Flow must remain seamless, allowing movement to feel natural and unforced. When balance is struck, the entryway feels whole, complete, and quietly assured. This is not about filling space. It is about shaping experience, about ensuring that the atmosphere welcomes without overpowering. In this harmony, even the smallest of spaces can feel expansive. Balance in a small entryway is also what creates longevity. A space that leans too heavily toward one extreme soon feels out of step, but harmony ensures timelessness. It becomes adaptable, able to shift moods without losing its essence. This balance is not rigid but fluid, allowing the entryway to evolve without ever feeling unfinished. Through this equilibrium, the small entryway proves that refinement is not about abundance but about proportion. In its restraint, it achieves clarity, and in its presence, it achieves identity. Which entryway idea would you try? Storage, mirrors, or decor accents? Share your favorite in the comments below. Subtlety is the heartbeat of a small entryway. It thrives not on bold gestures but on quiet details that whisper rather than shout. Light shifting gently across surfaces creates moods that change with time, offering variety within simplicity. Shadows soften edges, Tones layer gently, and openness meets intimacy in a delicate rhythm. In a space where distractions are few, every nuance matters more. Texture, tone, and rhythm all leave their mark. Atmosphere here is not something seen, but something sensed. It is less about appearance and more about presence. This subtlety invites imagination, allowing one to feel more than is explicitly shown. The small entryway, through its restraint, teaches us to value the understated, reminding us that simplicity often carries the most meaning. What makes this subtlety powerful is its quiet persistence. It does not demand attention, yet it shapes memory in ways that last. The smallest gestures can transform the mood entirely, proving that grandeur is not required to create impact. In its delicacy, the small entryway becomes timeless, never overwhelming, always graceful. This subtle presence is a form of artistry, showing us that design does not need to be loud to be heard. It only needs to be intentional, steady, and sincere. For more space-saving and stylish home ideas, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next inspiration. In the end, the small entryway teaches us that beginnings do not need to be grand to hold significance. Its strength lies not in scale but in atmosphere, not in quantity but in clarity. It proves that what is felt is more lasting than what is seen, and that restraint is often the most powerful form of design. Through balance, subtlety, and intention, this modest threshold becomes something far greater than its dimensions suggest. It is a reminder that homes are defined not by size but by experience, not by the objects within them, but by the emotions they inspire. The small entryway stands as proof that design is measured in meaning, and that even the quietest of spaces can carry the loudest impressions. In its simplicity, it becomes timeless, offering welcome, identity, and a sense of presence that endures. A small entryway whispers that beauty is not about what overwhelms the eye, but what lingers in the heart. It suggests that calmness can be as memorable as grandeur, and that intimacy often holds more weight than abundance. It reveals how subtle beginnings can shape entire journeys, guiding the way with grace rather than force. It shows us that even the narrowest spaces can feel expansive when they are filled with thought and intention. Above all, it reminds us that arrival itself is meaningful, and that the smallest threshold can leave the most lasting impression. And in this reminder, the small entryway becomes eternal, forever humble in scale, but boundless in meaning.